we spend a lot of time talking about and drawing from the days of old, and then also moving through and casting into the future about what our dreams and aspirations are for our tamariki mokopuna 40 years from now. And that if we can identify what that might actually look like, then we might be able to sit down and kind of reverse engineer the strategies and identify the values that will underpin the level of commitment that we need to make as a reanga to realise the dreams and aspirations of not only this generation, but also those that started the claim, but also those of our matua tupuna who had great dreams and aspirations that our people would flourish in our own lands. The clearer that we are about, what are our foundational, philosophies and ideas and all that sort of stuff that platform your actions later on, you become a far more powerful person if you are really clear about what your principles are, what your values are, all of those things that will platform your motivation and allow you to stay in your kaupapa for however many years, at times decades, that it will take to realise your dreams and aspirations. So, I'm really trying to, I suppose, reverse engineer what it takes for someone to have a kaupapa and make a commitment to it, to see it to fruition. And at times, it'll supersede your life. But it's important, because I challenge our participants also on language. And I said, have we got enough language? Because one of the problems of our society being interrupted, of our communities being interrupted, is that we don't continue to develop language that accommodates and platforms our changing reality. And so if we inherit language from the West or from Te Ao Pākehā, and we don't continue to create language, because there's heaps of language that talk about our deficits, and there's heaps of language that talk about our dismantling, but there's very little language to adequately illuminate or narrate our dreams and aspirations, what it might look like in the future. And so we have to build that language. We have to figure out how we can convey and enroll other people into our dreams and visions, because we can't do it by ourselves.